I wanted to just do, I just wanted to do a really random quick video, but sometimes when I do these videos that I don't think anybody's gonna watch, which is literally my entire channel. Today, we're gonna be unboxing this Hamilton Beach hand blender set. I didn't know what to call it. I just actually got this for Hanukkah, actually. But I really want to open it with you guys on camera. Hold on. I only got about 15 minutes, so I gotta go. But I might come back and keep unboxing it. We'll see how much we can get done in the meantime. But I was talking about how I wanted an immersion blender because I'm trying to really get more into baking. I've always had an interest in baking, but I was never really, I never really practiced. I never really put the time into it. But I just made these apple cider cookies, which were pretty good too. And I just wanted to sort of start upgrading like my baking sets and get stuff that I was missing, and this was something I didn't have. I did see that there was like a little chopper in here too. Yeah, honey. Oh, somebody's tired. That's weird. I wonder why. Want some cardboard? My Hunter is tired because he decided not to take a nap today. No, I lied. He passed out in the carriage at Target for 15 minutes, and that was his nap. We have this, which I think there used to be a commercial for, it was like, do you know what I'm talking about? The commercial where there used to be a product that like they'd hit it and it chopped.
It's like the.
It was almost like
Jack
Chop.
Jack Chop.
No, but there was another product. There was like, I think it was smaller than this.
Yes.
But you would just load it with whatever, and then probably same idea.
It was the bullet blender.
Was it the bullet?
Yeah, I think it was the bullet.
I don't know what everything is yet. Just gonna pull everything out. A little whisk. Oh, it's weird. It's almost like you want a nap. This kid fights me on naps, but then it's like so sad.
He's exhausted.
I'm assuming. Oh no. Okay, this must be part of the immersion blender. And then we have. It's like a little. Oh, cool! It's a little like measuring pitcher. A cup. So it looks like a blender. It's like a silicone. I'm lost. Oh, here's the immersion blender. Oh, interesting. I didn't know it was just like a little blade. Yeah. Okay. And it has a little lock and unlock feature on the front. So obviously we'd plug this in, and then looks like there's maybe like a 1 and a 2 speed. So we'll have to definitely try this. I really want to make some like soups and stuff. I don't think I have anything to make like soup tonight. But I really want an immersion blender when the spring and summer come around and all my tomatoes start popping up again on my tomato plant. Yeah, I want to make salsas and tomato soups, and like you can make jams with it.
Yeah, and you can also put the baby in there. Here,
yeah, we're stick them right in there. And blend them up. I don't know, there's a ton of stuff. I actually just made, I'll show you. I just learned how to make apple cider reduction, which is basically apple cider syrup. So it's good for 3 months, and it was very easy. If you know how to boil water, you can make that. So I've been really interested in making my own like jams and stuff. Not really for like, I don't mind going to a grocery store and purchasing stuff. It's just more for just the knowledge of having it. Oh, so is this? Oh, wait a second. Oh, no. So blending and measuring beaker. So you can use the immersion blender right in here. And this is the chopper attachment. Wait a minute. It looks like.
If you want to do like an apple puree, or you can do anything. Disobedient children, whatever.
Oh, wait a sec. Oh. Well then what's this little, I think this is just a little cover. So this is like, did the box literally say a 3-in-1 thing? Because that's
Yes, it does. Yeah.
So here's the one attached, or here's the one like base that you need, and then again it comes with the 3 attachments. This is really cool.
Like I said, disobedient children.
I'll put in a banana. I'll put in 1 banana. Like I said, I gotta do this kind of quick because I don't have a ton of time. I gave this a quick rinse, and we're just gonna try a banana. I don't have any, I gotta go grocery shopping because I don't have like apples or anything, but this is fine. I just want to see how it works. So we put this on like that. And I did plug this in. I just kind of want to see like how loud it is too. So, okay. That's in the lock position. And we're just going to hit the 1 button. All right, cool. That's that.
There you go. Banana fun.
Simples. Very cool. And then, just I guess try it real quick. We're going to. Would have been awesome when my kids were newborns because I would have pureed
your own baby food.
so much stuff. Like so much stuff. Man, this would have been on like my pregnancy. Like I did a bunch of videos when I was pregnant about like things that I really liked and things that I didn't use. This would have been something I would use.
I want a big gym
This is
bag.
cool. Nice job, babe. That was it. That was very cool. Really easy to put together. I figured it out within like 5 minutes. You're making me nervous.
How am I making
Because
you?
you're just standing.
I'm just watching you. I think you're great.
Anyways, I got a couple things from Machine. I got to go do like a try-on thing with. So I got to clean this up, get these kids off to dad's. So I'll see you in a little bit.